See, I clean my used Glossomers in the little containers they came in, and I just spray the container with the 90% alcohol. Then I just scrub them out. For this time around, I wanted to use the black Whisper Light on my lashes and on the spine of the gossamer. And this black on black technique lasted me about a day and a half. And that's because instead of retouching, I just took them all off when the corners came loose. So first I start with C14s, and I put the black Whisper Light on the gossamer and then add them to the outer corners of my eyes. And I wanted to try Vanessa's technique of doing both eyes simultaneously. So C12s I put in the inner corners of my eyes, and then I moved on to the E's. So I got some E14s, and I overlap a little on the outer parts of the C, and then I just filled in the rest, kind of close to each other, not overlapping. Then I went in with the C16s and filled in the little gaps in the middle, and that was my lash lab, dudes. And don't forget to fuse!